Alright, so this is the living room. Cozy and hello. That's the coat closet. And front door. Window out to the front. Shot of the wood floors. Okay, try not to make everyone dizzy. There's Jamie in the kitchen. This is like a pantry, plus it could be, it had a washer and dryer in it at one point. Would you like to narrate, Jamie?
No.
Okay. And small but functional kitchen. New appliances. There's the floor. Okay, around the corner is the back door in the basement, but we'll come back to that.
I'm gonna videotape the art too.